Nancy.
Mfunedi usene mana edi yetenya edi yo edi engineer uwem Stephen Okoko.
Today is the birthday of our fine daddy, a handsome man, a qualified man. His name is Engineer Life Coca-Cola.
Mpuni bere yede me young.
Abang me.
Anye fidi life.
Abang Uwem now.
Oh, uwem. Okay, life edi uwem di Anye fidi Coca-Cola.
That's botanical name Okoko.
Oh, botanical name Okoko diero. Afumari young wero.
Bob Makedo.
Asasme.
Autodo.
AKA Anawombo.
AKA the giver of things.
Eyedi, Managing Director, ESSEC Integrated Services Limited. Oro warade.
Abang ane wa obeotum.
Oh, eyedi, wa obeotum.
Basien.
Eyedi etio.
Media.
Etiam predido senema na pom.
Because today is your birthday.
Ayo la kabasi adiam fi.
Make up on it. Sorry, bless you.
Kami appearance yon. Ete fo mo fona
You
kakara.
are too good.
Ano wompo.
You give things.
Aya ka pura bono wempo.
You remain smile for give your
Ayo
life.
di kabasi amana no wem.
Because Jesus has given it already.
Siam predido senema na pom.
Because today is your birthday.
Negunek.
Dance.
Yampo.
Chop.
Kwa.
Sing.
Koro. Aforieti yo.
Because you are a good man.
Yako wempo kaka isonion.
Yet you have plenty years on earth.
Naba se pe me fi.
God will protect you.
Ma iyero.
Don't him fna.
Ida do senema na fete.
Happy birthday to you, Daddy.
Obongo yonke bekbo.
Abuma.
Huh?
Menyonga ke mido.
We love you, sir.
Happy birthday to